Okay, now we need to create for mesh 2, need to create simulation, but here I will create only turbulent because laminar will be almost the same result. So we'll see the difference between both meshes uh, for turbulent. I will update this. Okay, now set up, double precision, start. Okay, now I will change only the model here. I need K epsilon model and enhanced wall treatment, pressure gradient. Okay, material I will leave it as it is. We need the boundary conditions here. So go to console and enter, define boundary condition and make zone or modify zones. Then see the options here, make periodic and periodic zone 5, shadow zone 6, and here no. Create, yes, yes, and now we have it. Now I will change here mass flow rate, put it for turbulent 0.2 and okay. Then we'll go to the method, symbol, second, and then we'll go initialize, hybrid, initialize, and then run calculation. Put 3000 and calculate. Okay, calculation has been completed. Okay, and then we'll create our contour, velocity, and surface body. Here I don't want this, I need the graphic. Um, close, then vector. Change this to 3 and this to 2, and you can see the vector here. You can see we have much higher velocity than the previous one in laminar. Okay, now we'll create a plot, but we need line. So we create line here. There will be 0.1 and here 0.1, here 0, here 0.05. Create here, create the plot 0, here 1, line 5, and here we got it. So try to file, radial velocity, turbulent, but this is mesh 2. Okay, close. Now let us compare between this one and the other one. Create a new and load file. Here I got all files. This is the first one. The other one will be here, and this is the other one. So I need to compare between both of these. As you see, we have a little bit difference between both of them. But if always give a better name here so you can differentiate between both of them. Yeah, so like if you can choose this, for example, line mesh 2, and then you come here and I will compare between mesh 2 and here I will free this data first, then add only this one. This is mesh 1. So I will compare between this and this. So now as you see here, mesh 2 is the blue one, and line 5 here, this is the mesh one. So that's why it's important to choose the to define the name at the beginning. And that's all for this. You can say close or save the project and close.